Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Motorola Moto G53. And to do this you will need to open the Google Play Store. Inside, try to find the Firefox. Now select it and install. When it's finally ready, click on the open. Now we can set up our browser, so pick a different theme, choose your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between the privacy settings and read the privacy notice. Finally, let's click on start browsing and here open any website. As you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.